You know, there were two utensils in the kitchen when I was a kid that I'll never forget. The first was the wooden spoon. If my brother and I didn't behave, out it came. Unfortunately, I remember it all too well. The other item was my mom's heavy-duty cast iron skillet. She would cook just about everything in it, including these pork chops. She would start by sauteing a large onion that she cut really thin in some butter. Once that was tender, she added some balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, and a bit of salt. After it thickened up, she stirred in some crumbled bacon. While all those flavors were coming together, in another skillet, she would saute some thick-cut pork chops, I mean really thick, that she would first dip into some milk and then into some seasoned flour. I think the reason they cooked so evenly was because the cast iron pan really held the heat. After the chops were cooked through, she would spoon the onion bacon marmalade over them, and dinner was ready. Talk about hearty and packed with flavor. To get this easy favorite, simply check out our website and search for pork chops with bacon onion marmalade. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an easy weeknight kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.